Welcome to ModiMakes.
Okay, sorry about the audio right now, guys. I don't have my live mic with me, so you're just gonna have to put up with me filming the audio directly onto the iPad and hoping it sounds good enough once I edit it. So I'm gonna be doing something I've never tried before today, and I'm gonna be cutting out a character from this plywood and painting it so it's just the character itself, floating with no background or anything like that, and make it a little bit 3D-ish. And just to try something new that I've never done before. So let's see how it goes. What's good, everybody? My name is Modi. This is ModiMakes, and today I'm gonna be working on my first wood block cutout character for the channel. It's something that I've been wanting to get to for a while now, and I'm finally getting it done, and I'm excited about it. I guess I still got Halloween on the mind a little bit because the character I decided to design for this piece is a little punk knife-wielding Grim Reaper guy that's kind of cute, but you know, got that street edge kind of thing going on like most of my stuff ends up having. And this character doesn't have a deeper meaning like a lot of my stuff does. I just kind of designed it because I like the design and I thought it would be good for this purpose. With that theme being, the character is titled Twinkle Toes, and he's titled Twinkle Toes mostly just because even though he's floating, he's got his little tippy toes face downwards hanging down, and I thought it would be a kind of funny, ironic name for a character like this to have such a, you know, kind of goofy nickname and whatnot like that. So let's get into it, shall we? Well, there you have it, my peoples. Twinkle Toes is complete, and I'm really happy with how this one turned out. I think the colors went down great. They all stayed very matte and very opaque, got great coverage and everything like that. And I was really happy with how smooth the line work turned out. I really like the line weight variation too, from the double C thick lines that really make it pop to the thinner, smaller detailed lines that, you know, give it those intricacies that make you want to stare at it for a while. And I enjoy the character design too, even though it's a little bit more cartoony and a little less wild and out there than a lot of my character designs usually are, but I just think it turned out really clean and visually interesting, and it's a nice piece to put on a wall. But let me know what you guys think of the piece down below. Let me know if you have any questions or any comments about this video or any other video. If you have any ideas for anything you want to see me do in the future, I will be checking them out and responding to all of them, as I always do. And if you like the video, go ahead and give me a like. That would be amazing. And if you like me, you like the channel, and you want to help support me, the number one thing that you can do is to subscribe. I really couldn't thank you enough if you do. It means the world to me. And with all that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get in those final shots, shall we?
Thanks for watching.